everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change Twitter sensitive content on your Android phone. For this, I am going to use the Twitter app. You can also do the same. So tap on Twitter app, make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner, tap on settings and support option on the bottom, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy option, scroll down and tap on privacy and safety option. So here you have an option of content you see. Tap on it. So here you can see that. Decide what you see on Twitter based on your preferences like topics and interests. So you can display media that may contain sensitive content. For this, tap on the scroll bar on the right corner straight to display media that may contain sensitive content, and even tap on topics. So you can even choose the topic that you want to follow. Along with, you can explore settings and you can show content on this location and even allow for the personalization according to your wish, and even search settings as well, where you can see that they have hidden the sensitive content and even remove block and muted accounts. And the next thing that you can do is even through your tweets, tap on your tweets. You can even manage the information associated with your tweets. You can see that you can mark media you tweet as containing material that may be sensitive. You can allow other people to even know that your content may be sensitive as well. So this is how you change Twitter sensitive content on an Android phone. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.